All right, guys, welcome to Fun Fit Friday. We have part 2 of our 4-part workout with Jake Hoover. But before we get started, we are going to do attendance super quick. And we are going to ask everybody what the best part of their day was. So, Seth, go ahead. What was the best part of your day?
Leaving work early.
Leaving work early. Nice. Luke, what was the best part of your day?
Best part of my day that I get to go to Orlando, Florida.
You're already thinking about it?
Yep.
That's awesome. I'd think about it every day too. Tyler, what about you?
I'm thinking of like exciting is I wish it is summer now.
Said you wish it was summer already?
Yes.
We're getting close. We're getting close. Slowly.
I know, like
but surely.
I love spring too. I'm a summer person. I love the heat.
Right. I think a lot of us do. All right, Jake, what was the best part of your week?
Well, I got a lot done today. I finished a couple of papers, so that was a good thing.
Nice. A little weight off your back. I kind of did the same thing. I was able to organize all of our healthy athlete supplies, you guys, and you know that's a lot. So
that's great.
Maybe feel good to get it done. All right, but let's pass it over to Jake. He's going to kick off our workout today. And microphone over.
All right. How's everyone doing today? We're going to start out with 20 jumping jacks, just like last week, 20 jumping jacks. So have everyone get some space. All right, let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now we're going to do some toe touches to get us a little more warmed up. So go ahead and bend down, touch those toes for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do across the body with that arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Quick little breather, shake it out. We'll stretch one more time. All right. Bend down, touch those toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Across the body again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it out. Everyone feeling ready to go? All right, we're gonna do 10 push-ups, okay? So everyone, if you need to be on your knees, that's fine, but just go ahead and get down and we'll do 10 push-ups. All right. Everyone looks like they're ready. We'll go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And now we're going to do 10 crunches. So you're just going to lay down on your back with your knees up, and you're just going to lean forward, and you're going to bring those shoulder blades off the ground. Put this down. So knees up, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We'll take a quick breather, about 30 seconds. Get some water if you need it. Catch your breath. Did everyone watch the KU game on Monday?
Yeah.
That was an exciting comeback.
I'm a K-State fan.
Same, but it was a good game. It was exciting.
Yeah.
Hopefully one day K-State can get there. Fingers crossed. All right, let's do 10 more push-ups, okay? All right, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And we'll do 10 more crunches. Onto your backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. One more quick break and we'll do one more set of those, okay? All right, 10 more push-ups. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and now 10 more crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We'll take a little bit of a longer break, catch your breath, get some water, and then we'll start some new exercises. I see the Royals shirt. It's a good game yesterday. Was anyone lucky enough to go to the game yesterday, the home opener? It seemed like it would have been kind of a bad game to go to, so cold and windy, but 3-1's a pretty good score.
It is good, especially to start off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. My Rockies are playing today.
Who are they playing?
Let's see. We're playing LA Dodgers. Right now,
Ooh,
Dodgers beating my Colorado.
They're a good team. Yeah, they're a good team.
Yep. I hate the Dodgers. I hate LA.
All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do straight arm planks. So we're just going to kind of get in that up position for a push-up, and we're going to hold it there for 20 seconds. Okay? So just up like you were about to do a push-up, and we're just going to hold it there. All right. We're just going to do a straight arm plank. So just like you're in the up position for a push-up, I'm just going to hold it there for 20 seconds. All right? We'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now we're gonna do some body weight squats. So we're just gonna stand up, feet about shoulder width apart. We're just gonna do 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Quick break, catch your breath. We'll go through that again.
Yeah,
Can you hear that?
I can hear it.
All right. Let's do that straight arm plank again. 20 seconds. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, nice job. And we're gonna do some of those squats again. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. All right, another 30-second break, and then we'll keep on going one more time through those two. All right, one more time through those two, okay? So let's start with that plank. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. And we'll do 10 more squats. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, nice job. All right, take another little break and then we'll move on to the next thing. How's everyone feeling? Feeling good? All right, we're gonna do now, we're gonna do some side lunges and we're gonna hold them. So we're just gonna go out to the side and hold it here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we'll do that other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we'll do a forward lunge. We're just going to hold that for 10 seconds. Normal lunge, we're just going to lean into it, push those hips forward. Just going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swap legs. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, nice job, everyone. All right, take a quick break. Maybe shake those legs out if they're feeling a little stiff. I love those side lunges. They get a nice burn there on the inside of the thigh and the knee. I never stretch that area. All right, same thing. Gonna do that side lunge. We're gonna hold it for 10 seconds. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we'll switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now forward lunge. Push that hip forward and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. All right, quick break. All right, one more time. We'll do those side lunges and those normal lunges, and then we'll move on. All right. Start with one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now that other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now normal lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Quick break. Everyone feeling good? Feeling like they're getting a good exercise in?
Mm-hmm. It's almost NFL season.
It is. The draft's coming up soon, isn't it?
In 3, yeah. I'm ready for regular season. I know Aaron's favorite team, the Kansas City Chiefs.
Actually, my favorite team is the Ohio State Buckeyes.
Ah.
Actually, but Chiefs come in a very close second. So you are correct. And then it's the St. Louis Cardinals.
Oh, boo.
I grew up there, so I'm allowed to say
That's fair. That's fair.
Oh, see? Yep, Chiefs.
I'm Denver.
Yeah. I don't know if I can trust you.
No, trust the Chiefs. We're almost getting a new owner. We're close.
And you guys got.
What's the timeline?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And we're close in getting a new ownership for the Broncos. We're getting the guy from Walmart.
Oh. I didn't know anything about that. That's interesting.
Well, a lot of candidates are betting the Broncos for $4 billion.
Oof. I don't know if I have that much in my bank.
Well, if I get $5 billion, I can buy it.
All right. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the butterfly stretch. So you're just going to put those feet together and you're just going to kind of bring them close. And you're going to try to push down with those knees to the outside. We're going to hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Then we're going to put one leg over the other. And you're just going to reach. So like I'm doing right leg over the left. You're going to take that left arm and you're going to go on the outside. You're going to push and twist your body. Nice little stretch. Now hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. And hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Take a little break and we'll get right back into it. All right. Let's do those butterflies again. We'll go ahead and do that. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That right leg over the left one. Take your left arm, little twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We'll do that one more time. And then I want to see if anyone has anything they want to do. And then we can try those out. Erin, I see your dog is over there.
I can't work out at home because she thinks it's a game.
My dogs do the same thing. They think it's playtime.
I know. I'm like, no, this is me time, not playtime. She's all up in my face.
They're just like, oh, you're on the floor. That's where I'm at.
Right? I know. The
All right.
audacity.
All right, so we'll do those butterflies again. We'll hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to do that twist again. Hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Anyone have any ideas for what we want to end with or add to this?
Single leg balance.
Sure, we can do that. Yeah.
I like that.
All right. So if everyone wants to just stand up. All right, we'll start with the right leg. All right, so we'll try to hold it for 15 seconds, okay? So everyone ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Let's do that other leg. I'm going to be a lot worse on this one. All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Good job. Good choice. I like that one.
That was great, guys. Nice job.
Any other ideas?
Tyler or Seth, do you guys have any workout or exercises or stretches that you might want to do?
No, not really. I'm actually about to head out. I'm gonna go eat dinner. So
What about you, Tyler? Anything you want to end out on?
No.
All right,
No.
Jake, maybe do you just want to lead us on like one last stretch we can all do together?
Yeah, sure. That's no problem. I just wanted to see if anyone had anything they wanted to cover. All right. So I'll have everyone stand up and we're just going to do, I believe, I can't remember the name for this, but I think this is called like a good morning. So we're going to start at the toes and we're going to hold it there for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to move up to about the knees. We're going to hold it like about parallel, rest on those knees. Hold that for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to reach to the sky. Really reach, stretch out that back. We'll hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna go right back down. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're done. All right. I think that's it.
Nice job, guys. How y'all feeling? Good?
Yeah.
I always love stretching after working out. Feel the best. It gets all that nasty lactic acid out of your muscles so you can work out the next day, right?
Exactly.
All right. Well, nice job, you guys. Let's give a quick round of applause for Jake for coming on again.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Thank you, Jake. All right, guys, you have such a great rest of your Friday. I appreciate your all time and for coming on, and your names were put in the drawing for prizes. So congrats on hopping on, and have fun at training camp tomorrow, guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Toodaloo.
Bye. This is the way.
See you
Bye.
guys.